Bonjour, welcome back to Get By in French, Lesson 8. I want to do a quick recap on the past few lessons for you. So, just to start off the conversation, we'd say, Bonjour, je m'appelle Sue. Et vous? Comment allez-vous? Enchanté. So obviously I'd wait for some of your replies, but here, Bonjour, je m'appelle Sue. Et vous? You would then say, je m'appelle, whatever your name is. Comment allez-vous? I hope you say bien or très bien. And then enchanté with the extra E at the end because it's me speaking. I'm female. Okay? So a little recap. We also did days of the week. That's coming up now, days of the week. We did numbers 1 to 10. So do you remember how to say those? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We also did nationalities, so I said je suis anglaise, et vous? Je suis d'Angleterre, I am from England. But as we've just done numbers, another thing that you can chant or repeat in a list are days of the week. So let's look at these now for this lesson. So we have la semaine. La semaine is the week. Remember in the previous lesson I said la mère, la sœur, la fille. These are female people, but la semaine is just the week and it has a le or a la, and here it's a la. Every word or noun you come across, you need to learn if it's a le or a la. A little tip. Okay, so let's go through the days. As I say about saying them in sequence, it's easier than picking them out individually, so let's have a go. We've got lundi, Monday, mardi, Tuesday, mercredi, Wednesday, jeudi, Thursday, vendredi, Friday, and le weekend, same word as in English, is samedi, Saturday, dimanche, Sunday. Dimanche, you will notice, is the only one that doesn't end in an I. Interesting, don't know why that is. So let's do them in sequence. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. And then we've got for the lesson, this lesson 8, we've got a few things that you might be doing during the week. So we've got quite a lot of activity words, verbs, saying what you do. So this one, je travaille lundi. Je travaille lundi. Travail is not travel. Travel is voyager, like voyage. Travail is work. I work Mondays. Nous partons mardi. Nous partons. So it's a bit like depart. We're leaving Tuesday. Nous partons mardi. Then this one is just simply, it's Wednesday. C'est mercredi. It's Wednesday. C'est mercredi. And it happens to be Wednesday today, actually. C'est mercredi. Nous sommes mercredi. We are. It is Wednesday. That's how they say it. Nous sommes. We are. This one's interesting. For jeudi. Je vais à Paris jeudi. Je vais. Do you remember saying that right at the beginning? Je vais bien. I'm going well. It's going well. So here you literally are going to Paris. Je vais. I'm going. Or I go. Je vais. I'm going to Paris jeudi. And then Friday's easy. C'est vendredi. It's Friday. On Saturday, je travaille samedi. So je travaille samedi, the same as Monday. Je travaille, I work. And the last one, starting with the day of the week, dimanche est mon jour préféré. Dimanche, Sunday, is mon jour préféré. So mon, it's for my day, it's le jour. So it's la semaine, but it's le jour. So this is a feminine word, la semaine, the week. Le jour, because it's mon jour, like mon père, mon fils, mon frère. Those are masculine people, aren't they? And here it's le jour. It's my favourite day. Smiley face. So there's the days of the week. Again, just repeat them. Try and say them individually as well. So for example, we might say, quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes mercredi. So you're picking out Wednesday on its own, not in the list of words. And then we might say, for travelling, le train part lundi. The train leaves Monday. Or, if it leaves on a Friday, what would that be? Le train part vendredi. Okay, so one more time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, Dimanche. There's just set days of the week, aren't there? So le jour, the day, la semaine, the week. Okay, just keep practicing, practice pronunciation, and again the website has the PDF and the video. Merci, à la prochaine.